Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain sequence and series problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. If sixth term of GP equal to minus 1 by 32 and ninth term is 1 by 256. Okay, then we have to find 11th term of GP. So in a GP, in a geometric progression, let A be the first term, and R be the common ratio. Okay, so what are given? Sixth term. Okay, we have nth term formula Tn is equal to A into R to the power n minus 1. The sixth term is T6 is equal to A into R to the power 6 minus 1. A into R to the power 5 equal minus 1 by 32 given. Let us take equation 1. And ninth term is given T9 equal to A into R to the power 8. So it will going to be 1 by 256. Let us take equation 2. First our target is 11th term. First we have to find common ratio and first term. So let us do divide equation 2 and equation 1. Now we get T9 by T6 is equal to A into R to the power 8 by A into R to the power 5 is equal to 1 by 256 by 1 by minus 1 by 32. 1 A get cancelled, 1 R to the power 5 get cancelled, R cube. 32 1j, 32 8j get cancelled. It will going to be R cube is equal to minus 1 by 8. Minus 1 by 8. Therefore, R is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. So R cube is equal to minus 1 by 2 whole cube. Therefore, R is equal to minus 1 by 2. If R is equal to minus 1 by 2, okay, now we have to find A value. So from equation 1, A into R to the power 5 is equal to minus 1 by 32. It will going to be A into R value, right, minus 1 by 2 power 5 equal to minus 1 by 32. So both side minus 1 by 32 get cancelled. So R is equal, A is equal to 1. So first term A is equal to, we have got 1. But our target is 11th term. T11 is equal to A into R to the power 10. A value 1, common ratio minus 1 by 2 power 10. It will going to be 1 by 2 power 10. So 1 by 1024. This is answer. Okay. So let us go to the next problem. Question number 2. If 1 minus y into 1 plus 2x plus 4x plus 8x cube plus 16x to the power 4 plus 32x to the power 5 equal to 1 minus y to the power 6, then the value of y by x is. Okay, what is our target? Y by x value. What is given? 1 minus y into this value equal to 1 minus y to the power 6. So 1 minus y into 1 plus 2x plus 4x square. So 2x whole square. So 8x cube. It will be 2x whole cube, 2x to the power 4, 2x to the power 5 equal to 1 minus y to the power 6. Okay. This factors 1 minus y into 1 plus y square plus y cube plus y to the power 4 plus y to the power 5. Okay. On both sides, 1 minus y get cancelled. Now on comparing these two equations, where y place in what value is there? 2x. Y square is 2x whole square. Y cube is 2x whole cube. Y to the power 4 is 2x power 4. Y power 5 is 2x to the power 5. Therefore, y is equal to 2x. But our target is y by x. Divide x on both sides. Y by x is equal to 2. So what is the answer? 2. Okay. Let us go to the next problem. One of the 5 geometric means between 1 by 3 and 243. Okay. Option 1, 81. Option 2, 80. Option 3, 26. Option 4, 2. Okay. So let us take 5 geometric means. 5 geometric means are G1, G2, G3, G4, G5. Okay. So what is given? One of the 5 geometric means between 1 by 3 and 243. Therefore, what is the first term? 1 by 3. 1 by 3, G1, G2, G3, G4, G5, 243 are in geometric progression. Okay, in this first term, A is equal to 1 by 3 and last term B is equal to 243. Okay, we have common ratio direct formula B by A power 1 by n plus 1, where n is the number of geometric means. Geometric means. The number of geometric means how many given? 5 given. So n is equal to 5. Therefore, R is equal to B, where B value 243, A value 1 by 3, power 1 by n plus 1. Where n value 5, 5 plus 1, it will going to be 243 by 1 by 3 is 729, power 1 by 6. 729, it can be written as 3 to the power 6, power 1 by 6 equal to 3. So common ratio 3 and first term 1 by 3. So our target is G1, G2, one of 5 geometric means. Okay, first we have to find G1, G2, G3, G4, G5. G1 is equal to second term, A into R. A value 1 by 3, R value 3, it will going to be 1. So G2 is equal to third term T3, A R square. A value 1 by 3, common ratio 3, 3 square. 1, 3 get cancelled, it will going to be 3. Okay, G3 is equal to A into G3. G3 is the fourth term. G3 is equal to fourth term A into R cube. So A value 1 by 3, R value 3, 3 cube, it will going to be 20. 1, 3 get cancelled, 27 by 3 is equal to 9. G4 is equal to T5. G5 is equal to T6. A into R to the power 5. This is A into R to the power 6. A value 1 by 3, R value 3, 3 power 5. 1, 3 get cancelled, it will going to be 81. 3 to the power, 1 minute. This is 4. A into R to the power 4. 1 by 3. So T5 is equal to A into R to the power 5 minus 1. So G4 is equal to A R power 4. 1 by 3 into 3 to the power 4. 81 by 3 is equal to 27. A into R to the power 5. It will going to be 1 by 3 times of 3 to the power 5. 1, 3 get cancelled. It will going to be 81. So 81 is there. First option correct. Okay. Okay, now I am going to explain question number 4. If the T4, fourth term, of HP is 1 by 3. Seventh term is 1 by 4. Then we have to find 16th term. Okay. In a HP harmonic progression, fourth term T4 is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. And the seventh term T7 is equal to 1 by 4. In an AP, fourth term is the reciprocal of HP equal to arithmetic progression 3. Seventh term is 4. Okay, where A and D are first and common difference of AP. Okay, so T4 is equal to our target is 16th term. So T4 is equal to A plus 3D equal to 3. So T7 A plus 60 is equal to 4. Okay, let us do simplify. Let us do subtraction. A get cancelled. So minus 3D is equal to minus 1. Therefore, D is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. If D is equal to 1 by 3, then we have to find A value. So A plus 3D is equal to 3. A plus 3 times of D value 1 by 3 is equal to 1. 3 get cancelled. A will be 3 minus 1, 2. Okay, A value we have got 2. But our target is T16. 16th term. So 16th term is A plus 15D. This is in AP formula. A value 2, 15 into D value 1 by 3. It will going to be 2 plus 5, 7. Okay. So 16th term in AP is 7. 16th term in HP is 1 by 7. The reciprocal of arithmetic progression is harmonic progression. So what is the answer? 1 by 7. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming class.